Kids, come sing along. It's the yummy color song. Scoops of color, one by one. Learning's tasty, learning's fun.
I'm red, I'm sweet, I'm strawberry cream. I shine so bright, I'm every kid's dream. Apples, roses, and cherries too. Red is the color loved by you.
I'm yellow, sunny and bright, like lemons and stars at night. Bananas dance in golden hue. Yellow shines right next to you.
I'm green, the minty scoop. Leaves and frogs join my group. Grass and peas are green, you see. A cool fresh color just like me, serene. I'm green, the minty scoop. Leaves and frogs join my group. Grass and peas are green, you see. A cool fresh color just like me, surreal.
I'm blue, the ocean wide. Blueberries roll and waves collide. Sky so high and sea so deep. Blue's the color dreams will keep.
I'm purple, royal and fun. Grapes and flowers in the sun. Magic clouds and sparkles too. Purple brings the best to you.
I'm brown, I smell so sweet. Chocolate makes the best treat. Cookies, cakes, and cocoa too. Brown is yummy through and through.
Red, yellow, green and blue. Purple and brown, we're colors for you. Sing and learn, come play along. That's our yummy color song.